Welcome to AntMyERP. This video will be about how to configure SLA on AntMyERP and how to connect SLA with contract, branch and device. First of all, how to create SLA. To create SLA, there are easy options. Control Space and SLA. Search and select the SLA as shown. It will land directly on the SLA page. The second option is to click on Settings. And select the master option visible here. Go to the Service option. In the Service tab, SLA will be visible. Here is the SLA. Once the SLA is selected, the index view of SLA will open. It will lead directly to Control Space. If an SLA needs to be created here, click on the plus icon on the right-hand side. The SLA will open automatically. The SLA name should be typed here. There is an option to select SLA priority-wise or non-priority-wise. How does priority-wise work? The types are provided and created by the system, such as low and high. Once yes is selected, the priorities will be visible. SLA is on 3 parameters: RCA, response and downtime. If it is taken priority-wise, what will be the SLA of urgency priority in RCA? The SLA for high priority. The SLA of low priority. The SLA of normal priority. SLA for emergency priority. This way all the priorities can be created in the system. When a service call log is made, the priority needs to be selected. Based on the selected priority, the SLA will be calculated. The second option is without priority. Click on No. The SLA flat type will be connected. What will be the SLA of RCA? Enter RCA as half an hour. For example, the call log is 10 o'clock. If the requirement is not done by RCA till 10:30, then the SLA should be breached. The second option is that the RCA is not done till 30 minutes. But what should be escalated? Here in escalation, add a name of an employee. Employee time will be recorded here. How should it escalate? Via email, SMS and slasher notification. Enter a convenient time. After 30 minutes or before 30 minutes. Enter 0.25 minutes here. And at 10:25, the email, SMS, notification will be received automatically. Next, how to create a higher SLA. Click on plus. For example, Yogi should be escalated. When and how it should get escalated. In case he is traveling a lot, then it should be done through SMS. And when should it be done? Within 35 minutes. The call log is 10 o'clock. If the engineer has not replied, it will be escalated to Yogi. That means the SLA has been breached. What will be the response time? Insert 4 hours here. In escalation, it will be the same. Who is to be escalated? Escalation, the name of the employee is to be given. How will the notification be received? And when does it need to be done? Enter 30. Who else has to escalate this? Here more escalation can be selected. Through email. When to do it for 10, same as downtime. The total downtime will be 8 hours. By selecting all these parameters, the SLA will be created. Now that the SLA has been created, the SLA that has been created needs to be connected. When a proposal in CRM sales is made, accept and convert to a contract. So at that time, it is asked. At the time of conversion to contract, will the SLA remain? So for example, we had a contract. And book that contract. It gets accepted. The booking will be visible on the Accepted tab. Then convert it to a contract. The proposal will also be converted into a contract. The system asks which SLA is it connected to. This is where we convert the contract. The system will also ask us for the rest of the details. Which SLA is applicable here? This will be entered. Here the contract will be created. What will be the SLA? An option for SLA is given here, where an SLA can be selected. This SLA that was created. Select it and save it. Once it is selected, how many devices are connected to this contract? This SLA will be applicable for it. The second option is, if SLA needs to be connected device-wise, go to SRM Sales, select Customer, and search in their names. So here for example, a customer is selected. Go to the contract of that customer. By right-clicking, the contract will appear. And by clicking on Action, the contract page can also be visited. The product will be shown. Here, click on the three dots and click on the product. All the products will be visible here. Which product needs to connect with which SLA? Now all this is connected with Gold SLA. This is not connected with any SLA. So for example, the new SLA which has been created needs to be connected to SLA. Click on Connect SLA. And here SLA. And save. The next option is to connect SLA device-wise. The third option is city-wise and branch-wise. So here is SLA. For this serial number, this SLA is applicable. The third option is to click on Search. Here district-wise, product category-wise, tassel-wise, city-wise should be searched. Select all and connect SLA. What SLA is to be connected, it will be connected to that. The SLAs will be visible here. Select an SLA. So which device will be there? In that city, tassel, district and category. If the SLA will be there for it, it will be applicable. According to the same method, the SLA will be calculated. From that, we will get to know the status of SLA, which has been reached and achieved. In this way an SLA will be created and connected. Thank you.